Hey guys! Today we are making delicious honey garlic pork chops with coleslaw salad. Coleslaw. How's it pronounced? Coleslaw. Coleslaw? Anyway, this salad right here. Coleslaw salad. There we go. This is the meal that you can't say no to. Honey and garlic glaze, coleslaw salad. What more can you ask for? Well, maybe just reducing Earth's carbon emissions by 6% every year, reducing inequality in the world, eradicating deadly diseases, and living peacefully without any wars for fuck's sake. I'm looking at you, Putin. Great, so first, let's start off with our vegetables. First, get yourself 6 or 7 medium-sized potatoes, slice them into thick slices, then get 1/2 of a carrot and slice it into thin, circle-sized circles. Why did I write this? Just slice your carrot. Now, get a roasting dish and drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, it shouldn't coat the whole bottom. Then, what you can do is add a little bit of different herbs. I used a herb mix of basil, oregano, and other herbs. Just if they're green, they're herbs. You can use that same stuff if you can find it, or not use it at all. That's the magic of cooking. Then lay in your potatoes nicely, sprinkle your sliced carrot and drizzle some more olive oil with some more dried herbs. Great, now move it out of the way and get your meat ready. Get 600 grams or 1.3 pounds of pork. Dry it off with a paper towel and then cut your meat into 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter thick slices. Great, now it's time for the sweet glaze from heavens. To make the glaze, combine 1/2 cup of ketchup. I would suggest using ketchup with vinegar in it. In case you don't know how to check the label, it's on the back of the bottle right here. Then add in 2 tablespoons plus a little bit of honey. To that, pour in 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and 2 cloves of garlic, crushed or finely minced. Depends on if you have a garlic crusher and if you're not too lazy to wash it afterwards. Good, now mix it all together until everything is fully incorporated. Now let's bring back everything and start laying the meat on top of our vegetables. But before we do that, don't forget to salt and pepper your meat and subscribe! That would mean a lot to me. Now back to the video. I tried glazing the bottom of the meat before laying it, but that's not how you should do it. Just lay the meat on top without any glaze first. Get your tongs ready and a bit more salt and pepper, and the whole roasting dish goes into a preheated 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about an hour or even more. Depends on the thickness of the meat and if it's done by the time the glaze is gone. Well, just check in on it every 15 or 20 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, remove the roasting dish from the oven. Check if the meat is not burned and flip your beautiful pork chops with your clanky wooden tongs and glaze them with that beautiful glaze. You should do this every 15 to 20 minutes while your glaze runs out and the pork chops are done. Don't be stupid like me and start glazing the pork chops in the oven with the oven door open. Then the hot air from the oven escapes and you're left with uncooked pork chops and a broken heart, because everyone bails on you in life, even hot air molecules. Anyway, now in the meantime, while the oven is still doing its job, you can make some fresh and juicy
coleslaw
salad. I think I pronounced it right. First, get your carrot and cut it into little rectangles like so. Get a bowl. In that bowl, slice some beautiful cabbage spaghetti. Just shredded cabbage. If you feel that you can't handle these big cabbage noodles, then I would suggest cutting them in half. Great, now all that is left to do is add some good old mayo. I added about 1.5 tablespoons to about 1/4 of a cabbage here, but you can adjust the mayo amount to your own liking. You can even use Greek yogurt if you like, but it will not taste as good, so... Great, now maybe add some pepper and mix everything until fully mixed. Now the meat is done, the salad is done, and all that is left to do is plate everything and enjoy. This is truly the best honey garlic pork chops that you can make easily at home without a grill. Okay guys, thank you for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful or you want more videos like this, please smash the like button and see you on the next one. Peace!